Understanding the phrase, "It's a washout," an English language guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language. It's a washout. This phrase can be quite intriguing, especially for those learning English. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. It's a washout is an idiomatic expression used to describe a situation or event that is completely unsuccessful or ruined, especially due to external factors like the weather. For instance, if a sports event is cancelled due to heavy rain, you might say, "The match was a washout." The term, washout, originally comes from a literal washing out, like a road being washed away by rain. Over time, this term evolved to describe events that are ruined or spoiled, especially those cancelled due to bad weather. In everyday conversation, it's often used informally to express disappointment about cancelled plans or failed expectations. To better understand, let's see some examples. 1. We planned a picnic, but with this rain, it's a washout. 2. The outdoor concert was a washout because of the thunderstorm. 3. Their new product launch was a washout. Hardly anyone showed up. While "it's a washout" is the most common form, you may also hear variations like "a bit of a washout" or "a total washout." These variations can indicate the degree of failure or disappointment. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "It's a washout." I hope this video has been enlightening and helps you feel more confident in using this phrase in English conversations. Remember, language learning is an exciting journey, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward. See you in the next video.